Hi guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can fix an issue with Samsung voice input is not working due to the error appear on top or draw over other apps on the Galaxy S22 series. Now when we try to use the microphone on the Samsung device, you can see it will show this error. Now in my particular region, when I have this mobile phone, it will show the error appear on top. Now if you're in a different regions, it may say allow draw over other apps. So what you want to do is tap on settings. In settings, we go down and tap on appear on top and tap on the allow permission. And here you can see if I tap on the microphone, it will now works. Okay, so in your case, if you're in a different regions, you may not see the option appear on top. Instead you want to go all the way down at the bottom of the settings and choose allowed. So allow to draw over other apps. So you want to select that settings instead. So this is the settings here that you want to select. So choose draw over other apps and turn on the toggle button. Now, if I go down from my home screen, if I swipe down at the top and tap on settings, I can go down and tap on apps, then tap on the dot at the top, the more button. From the pop menu, tap on special access. In here, I can tap on appear on top, and then you can see in here, it gives you all the permissions of which apps can appear on top. And here you can see we've got Samsung voice input. I can switch it off, and if I go back in here and try to use the microphone, you can see the error comes up again. So you would want to tap in settings, and in settings you might want to go down all the way down to the bottom. You may be able to see, instead of saying appear on top, in your region you might need to select draw over other apps. Okay, and that should allow you to get the microphone working again. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.